In this video, I'm going to show you how you can leverage OpenAI to streamline and improve your processes as a marketing agency owner. So being said that, let's go straight to my computer. The number one is basically for people that are working with SEO or basically search ads. That mean they have to have a good keywords to rank on Google or on any other platform. That's why for me ChatGPT is a great tool to find this type of keywords. Here you see an example of my niche. ChatGPT give me 10 that actually are not that bad. So if you are running, as I said, a SEO agency or you're just running search ads for your business or to find leads, I recommend you guys a lot test this because it will help you a lot. And you can type any type of keyword that you want to find or you want to know. You can put the same as put here, but relating to your niche. For example, give me 10 keywords relating to solar or to roofing, to home improvement. There is a lot of niches that you can put here, and they can give you keywords, not only 10, you can ask for 5, 25, or even 50. Also, another thing that ChatGPT does very well is basically building scripts for your ads. It could be a normal video, it could be a YouTube ad, or any ad that implies a video, and ChatGPT does this very well. And it surprised me a lot because it has a lot of sense, this ad, and it's very well done. And if you want to use this type of ad as it here, you probably will close clients, even though you can make it a little bit of tweaks to improve it. You save a lot of time, basically because the hard part is basically building all the script. ChatGPT can do it for you. Here, in my example, for example, make me a script for YouTube explaining the benefits of doing lead generation for insurance agencies instead of buying bull leads from a random lead generation website. That's basically an example that you can do the same for your niche or for your services if you are doing YouTube ads or you are doing basically short form content. And if you made it through here, give me a like because I know that you want this type of videos, and also subscribe because my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I know it sounds crazy, but I think we can accomplish that. And also let's continue with the ChatGPT features that have, because it will surprise you a lot, and I hope you also can apply the other tips. Another thing that ChatGPT does great is basically building copy for your ads, and not even your ads. You can do it for your dropshipping business, your dropshipping website, your dropshipping copy for your products, and it's basically can apply to all businesses, not only agency owners. And it does it very well, even though it's not as good as the copy or the script that we've seen before, or the keywords. This is more tricky and more difficult to do, but ChatGPT still do it very well, and you can use it as a base to build your copy. And as you can see here, the example is basically an example of my niche, basically doing a copy for a Facebook lead generation for insurance agencies. But this is just an example to show you that it's possible and you can do it. And even if you change a little bit the question to ask to ChatGPT, can do it also better, because if you input a lot of more things of your target audience, for example, for Kentucky, from the age to 25 to 65 plus, and that don't have a healthcare policy or a healthcare insurance, for example. Saying more inputs, it will probably make a even better copy, more targeted for your audience and for your niche. That's why I think it's great, because if you can start testing this type of inputs into ChatGPT, it will probably give you even better script than this. And also another thing that ChatGPT does amazing is finding you information from your niche, any valuable information that you can ask, it will give you a response. That's why I think it's also great, because it can save you a lot of time. For example, here I asked ChatGPT 10 statistics of my niche case insurance from 2023 with the references, and as you can see here, it pulled me 10 examples that are actually very interesting, and I actually can make a projection from this niche and if it will grow or not in the future. And you can ask the same questions for your niche, and basically finding if your niche is dying or is growing, basically by this type of studies GPT. And also you can ask the references, because if you want to know further or you want to watch further, you can go straight for the source. And for me it's great to save you a lot of time. Basically you can ask give me the 10 biggest home remodeling businesses in the US, and with a source or any type of question they want to ask, and you will probably have an answer to that. That's why for me it's not only great to find you more clients or to make a good copy or to make a good script, It's only a great tool to find new information and to find information through the internet, because ChatGPT will find this type of information a lot faster than you. And as you can see here, the example that I gave to ChatGPT to source this information is based on my niche, as I said, insurance industry. And basically, this is more specific in the US, but you can do it in the UK, but you can do it in the US, United Kingdom, or even Canada, or even Spain, the country that I live in. So feel free to test that, asking any information from your niche and any problem that you think your niche have. For example, give me the 10 biggest problems that insurance agency have. Give me the 10 biggest problems that X, Y, and Z have. And by that, you will know a lot of your niche with a lot of less time than it will require if you don't have ChatGPT. And so guys, I recommend you a lot start using ChatGPT to know more about your niche, and it will help you a lot and it will be worth it for sure. So start testing that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like because I know you want this type of videos, and also my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I know it sounds crazy, but I think we can accomplish that all together. So as I said, stay tuned for the next videos. Bye guys.